If you have a noisy garage door, chances are you need to replace your garage door rollers. So if your garage door is 10, 15, 20 years old, what happens is the ball bearings will wear out on your rollers and it'll start rattling, it'll start causing lots of friction within the track, and your door going up and down is going to sound more like a train. So we have 11 ball nylon rollers. They're the best possible rollers that you can get. We have a number of different long stem rollers, metal, nylon. We've got the big ones for commercial doors. So the main thing with garage door rollers is to safely install them. And when you come to visit us at Parts for Garage Doors, our helpful staff will give you the tricks to keep you safe and to get it done efficiently. So do yourself a favor today, come to Parts for Garage Doors and buy a set of nylon rollers.